There's two ways to buy healthcare, technology, whatever. Buy businesses only based on positive cash flow. There's two ways to buy healthcare, technology, whatever. You buy assets, or you buy the cash flow. Okay? We're cash flow borrowers. We're cash flow. If it doesn't have cash flow, we're not interested in it. Cash flow is a figure that's after income taxes, after taxes income. In a rough rule of thumb, if you have $1 million in after-tax income, you probably are cash flowing between 1.4 and 1.5 million. Because you add back depreciation and amortization, it's roughly 40 or 50%. You don't need to know that. But I'm just telling you, we borrow and buy businesses only based on positive cash flow. And our cash flow even has to be more prettier. That's not good English, but it's free cash flow. Free. Money that you can burn in the fireplace if you want. If your bank tells you you have to keep 10 or 20 or 50 or $100,000 in the bank in your checking account, that's not part of the loan. That's not free cash flow. They've added something onto the contract. You want free cash flow that you can do anything with. And we are buying businesses at between 3 and 5 times free cash flow. Now, what has happened with Corona? Well, those businesses that were worth 3 to 5 times cash flow probably are worth between 25 and 50% less post-Corona than pre-Corona. And the reality is some of the businesses are worth nothing. Why would the guy give her the $800,000 business for 50 grand? I would have made him pay me 50 grand. It was a mercy fuck. There are businesses out there that you can get for nothing, zero. And when you just buy the assets and not the corporate veil, so to speak, you're free of past liabilities, current liabilities, and future liabilities because they pass with the corporate entity. And you're not buying the corporate entity, you're buying the assets to produce the cash. But sometimes you have to buy the corporate entity, i.e. the example I just gave about the licenses for substance abuse practices. They don't pass from guy to guy. They pass from company under the new ownership. So then you buy the stock.